Every year, lightning and surge cause billions of dollars loss and is one of the biggest hazards to electrical and electronic equipment. With the mission of protecting against lighting for the benefit of mankind, Prosurge was founded in 2006. Since our inception, we've been targeting on global market to compete with top-tier players in surge protection industry. By more than a decade of endeavor, Prosurge has grown into a globally competitive surge protection company with the most complete range of product lines in industry. Our products include thermally protective MOV, DIN rail SPD, panel SPD, Smart SPD, Smart Surge and Power Monitor, Signal and Data Network SPD, etc. Our products are widely used in various industries like building, solar power, wind power, telecom, railway, oil and gas, industrial control, LED street light, etc. Quality is our top priority. Prosurge was an ISO certified manufacturer since 2007. We have been implementing Six Sigma quality control to ensure our products can work under the toughest application environment. We have established a surge protection lab that can perform tests according to both IEC and UL standards. With these testing abilities, Prosurge Lab can work together with major certification bodies like UL, KEMA, and TUV. We also actively taking our social responsibilities by implementing EHS system. Prosurge has a global R&D team with the best professionals in United States and China.
I've been associated with Terry Mao and Prosurge for more than 10 years. I've found they make the highest quality products you will find in the surge industry.
Technology innovation is the main driving force for our success. While SPD is a good solution to protect against lighting and surge, SPD itself is a major source of safety hazard. Poorly designed SPD can burn, catch fire, and thus cause safety problems. Prosurge solves this industry problem with our globally patented technology TPAE to ensure the maximum safety in surge protection. Prosurge is among the very few companies who can provide complete products in both IEC standard and UL standard markets. We have the most complete certificates for our products in industry, including UL, ETL, KEMA, TUV, CE, etc. As a globally competitive surge protection company, we've extended our market network in 6 continents and more than 60 countries around the world. Our SPDs are protecting numerous critical facilities in North America, South America, Asia, Oceania, Africa, and Europe, and our customers include many Fortune 500 companies and electrical industry leaders. We have customers that are so satisfied that they are willing to write recommendation letter or even take recommendation videos for us. Prosurge, your trusted partner in surge protection.